Hi everyone, it is Seashell Wonder Time. Look at this beautiful seashell I just found. A little treasure from God's creation. Just like what it is said in James 1:17, a little treasure from God's creation. Every good and perfect gift is from above. Join me as I explore the beach and find incredible seashells. Each one a small but perfect gift from nature. With every wave, the ocean offers up treasures, and these little shells remind me of how even the smallest things can be blessings. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of God's creation and the simple joys in life. Thank you and God bless.